For many people, summer means BBQs, beach cricket, and dips in the pool. But there are days when that harsh summer sun isn't quite so fun and cranking up the air conditioners at home seems like your only option. If your home doesn't have an air conditioner, or if you're just trying your best not to use it around the clock, then there are still plenty of things you can do to keep your home cool. You are going to watch the 20 genius tricks to keep your home and yourself cool without air conditioning. Set your ceiling fans to rotate counter-clockwise in summer to push air straight down, helping to create a cooling effect, and clockwise in winter to pull cool air up. There is an amazing way to cool you down at bedtime. Consider purchasing a special pillow that contains cooling gel that disperses your body heat. Your kitchen exhaust fan sucks out hot, humid air from the room, so this is an easy way to get rid of some heat from your home and save on energy bills. Your bathroom fan works in the same way, so be sure to throw that one on too. In hot weather, the rule is simple. When it's cool early in the day, which is usually around sunrise, open doors and windows to let your house cool down. Later in the day, when things get hotter, close curtains and shut outer doors to trap the cooler air inside. Installing an awning above your windows will work to shield your home from the sun's rays. This will ensure the amount of heat your home absorbs is reduced. Planting vines will work similar to installing an awning. Vines like ivy grow quickly and provide a cooling shade. The climbers reduce the temperature by blocking the sunlight that heats up exterior walls. Heat rises, so hit the downstairs couch or basement, or put your mattress on the floor if the air feels cooler down there. Using your stove or oven will add unwanted heat to your kitchen. Try to limit your cooking to the early morning and plan dinners that don't require heating up, like pasta salad or lettuce wraps. For a hot meal without a hot kitchen, try grilling out or using a crock-pot. It's natural to hide from the sun when there's a heat wave, which is why it's always a good idea to close your curtains. The neutral-toned curtains with white plastic backings are best for reflecting away sunlight. Insulated window films can provide up to 98% infrared heat reduction compared to unprotected windows, and reduce temperature imbalances in your home. Plugged-in electronics generate heat even when they're off or not in use, which can make an already hot home even hotter. Unplug things like TV, PlayStation, toaster or device chargers when you don't need them. Breathable bedding is crucial to a cool night's sleep. Silk or sateen sheets are light but tend to trap heat. Stick to natural bedding materials like cotton or bamboo for lightweight, breezy coverage. On a sweltering day, traditional black roof materials can become over 100 degrees hotter than the air around them. A white roof can be a great way to keep your house cool in the summer because it reflects heat instead of absorbing it, keeping the warmth from seeping into the rest of your home. Sticking with the subject of meal times, this is another way of helping you stay cooler no matter what the room temperature might be. A large, heavy meal like a huge steak requires a lot of energy to break down in your system, a process that naturally raises your body temperature. A suspended hammock has air flowing all around it. making it a much more comfortable place to sleep in the heat. If your home has a cross breeze, take advantage of it to stimulate airflow. Open the windows on the downwind side of your house, and the bottom section on the upwind side. This will create a cooling pressure current. You can make things even cooler by using a window fan in the upwind side. Incandescent bulbs waste an estimated 90% of their energy in the heat they emit, so if you're trying to keep your home cool without purchasing an air conditioner, small shifts like switching to compact fluorescent lamps can cool your home while also lowering your energy bill. Lights give out a tiny amount of excess heat, and in the middle of a sweltering summer, every extra bit of heat makes a difference. So turn off any lights you don't need. This takes some time to establish and a little bit of planning, but will provide you win-win results. A tree in full bloom can block over 70% of solar radiation from entering your home. Sun-loving, shade-providing plants, trees and shrubs in front of windows that receive the afternoon sun to cool down your house and add beautiful landscaping to your yard. Concrete pavement blocks are better absorbers of heat during the day, and it stores that heat, hence emit greater heat during the day and night, causing inconveniences, and it also prevents groundwater recharge. Grass is an evaporative cooler, which is why grass temperatures are an average of 10 degrees Fahrenheit to 14 degrees Fahrenheit cooler than asphalt and concrete. Abundant grass absorbs much of the sun's solar radiation and cools much of the surrounding area. Try to cover your remaining house plot area with natural grass and lay paver blocks in your vehicle accessing areas of your house only. Well, you now have over 20 different options to keep yourself and your home cool during the summer when you have no air conditioning. As mentioned, some of these ideas can even be used to help you lower your cooling bill this summer. If you can keep your home naturally cool, then your air conditioner won't have to work as much.